Apple's new iPhone might get delayed. Coronavirus, coronavirus, coronavirus. Is it scary or just people just acting scared? So Coachella has been canceled officially. My wife was going to go, but I think it actually delayed till April. My company, Ridge Production, we've lost over 50 grand in postponed jobs. This thing really is affecting everyone, and there's one case of it in the US. And all of Italy is quarantined. I don't know, it feels like we're in a zombie movie or something. Apple's new iPhone might get delayed. I guess that makes sense because they make the phones in China. And China's like all up, apparently, quarantine. It's really actually kind of crazy. I can't remember the last time there was just this big of a scare. I have a friend who moved. He went up to his cabin in Big Bear or Mammoth or maybe Utah. Fuck, I don't know. He just like left and just like he's like camping out there for like shit. I guess you never know. I really don't know all the details, but I did another video up in Mammoth talking about it with some of my friends and what the symptoms are, and I guess it's like a flu. And like how many people have gotten it and where people have gotten it. But I guess you're not necessarily, it's not like a fatal thing, unless you have a weak immune system. So I don't know. Okay, honestly, as far as I'm concerned, it's like there's nothing I can do. So why would I worry, I've been sober 15 years. And to be honest, the thing that's been occupying my mind a lot more than that lately has been this situation that I just went through with this whole CBD thing. My friend gave me some CBD that had THC in it, and I was feeling high. I didn't know there was THC in it, but I was like feeling high, and I gave it to my sponsor, and or I asked him if he wanted to try it, and I posted a video of it online, and it everyone fucking flipped out, and I just it's funny how like when you do these videos, like you imagine like who might watch them, and you get kind of like, you start thinking about like, oh wow, I wonder, if this person's gonna see it or that person's gonna see it, and it's just so hard to just like not think about any of that and just to like be honest, because like we're always thinking about like what someone's gonna think, and it's like impossible to just be honest if you're thinking about that, Yeah, so that's the coronavirus update. Thanks for watching.